welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I am planning for Tuesday, November the 8th. So today I am using this sticker kit by SimplySmithStickers. I really love their stickers. We've got this really cute leopard print and plaid. These are the headers for the week. Here are the boxes and the skinny strips, which I still haven't really figured out what to do with those. Then we have more of the boxes for the bottom right corner and some more time block stickers. So I am planning in my A5 Daily Duo by Erin Condren. I love this thing. I've always wanted to do planning, but every time I would get started, I just never did stick with it because I didn't find the planners to be functional for me. This is the first time I have stuck with a planner, and I mean, I have been using this so much. I especially love the to-do list. It makes me feel like I'm accomplishing things when I can mark them off my list. So this has been really helpful for me. So you'll need to let me know down in the comments if you use a planner, which one do you use and why? What is it about your planner that you really enjoy? So let's see, what is today? Wait a minute. Oh no. I did. That's so funny. I put all of my Monday stickers on Tuesday. So, Simply Smith stickers are removable. This is going to be like magic. Because not only are the stickers removable, but I used an erasable pen. That's funny. I can't believe I did that. Yesterday, when I went to just get my planner set up for the day, I realized that I didn't have any more stickers left for the kit that I was using. And so, yeah, I really didn't do anything in my planner yesterday. That's really terrible. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to leave this meeting sticker. Does that even match? I mean, it sort of does. That's funny. I can't believe I did that. And I was like well caffeinated too at the time. But anyway, when I went to do my stickers yesterday, I realized that I didn't have any more stickers in that kit that I was using. And so I just kind of like hastily put a few things down. And clearly, I was rushing because today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday, but I can still use this stuff over on the side to track my work today. So, sorry about that, y'all. I just, what a surprise. Flip the page and wait a minute, I've already planned for the day. Okay, now let me put my header down for today, which is Tuesday. And what is today's date? Today's the 8th. So we'll put this little square sticker down for Tuesday. It goes that way. Anyway, I love my Daily Duo, and I will definitely buy another one. The monthly Erin Condren for like budgeting and planning, I just never could get into. I got one because I wasn't sure what I was going to use, and I just could not. I never got into that 7x9 for budgeting. I always go back to what I know works, which is just paper and pen budgeting in a notebook. So, but for planning purposes, this is perfect for me. Okay, let's put down the box in the corner. See, this is plaid, so we'll match that up with the plaid sticker. Things have been pretty crazy around here lately. Been busy doing my Christmas shopping, working, of course. I have meetings that I attend and service commitments to do. I have all sorts of things going on in my life that just have taken priority lately, which is fine. I mean, that happens. So filming has kind of taken a back seat, but I'm hoping, like right now, I just filmed my budgeting video. Oh, my alarm clock is about to go off. So I'm going to, it's 3:59. I'm going to let that go off and I'll be right back. It'll shut off the video. Next I need to put down my 2-hour meeting from 3 to 5. Now my mornings have changed. I got a sticker on me. My mornings have changed where I've got 3 back-to-back meetings from 7:30 until 9:30, so I've just blocked that out all at once. Let's use this dark sticker. And then from 3 to 5, I have my regular TWC meeting. Oh no, that's next week. So let me find, I've got all of my script stickers over here. On the side. Let's see what all I have in here. On call, no spend. Definitely haven't had many no spend days lately. So here's TWC, 3 to 5. And I think that's really it for my meetings for the day. I don't really have a whole lot going on today. Let's put down the stickers for the check boxes. And let me write down my to-do list. And I think that's going to be it for today's video, today's planning video. This is like a real treat. You guys are going to get 2 videos from me today. Okay, so these are my daily tasks at work. I have 3 that I do every day. I need to take boxes to the dump this morning at 5:30. So I have to do that. I definitely need to do the dishes. I swear the dishes are on my list every single day. I could probably, my hamper is full, so I probably need to do some laundry. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else that needs to be done. I do have, I don't know, 3 or 4 boxes of stuff that was just laying around or was cluttered, and I put it all in a couple of containers to go through. So definitely have some organizing to do. And it's really just junk, you know, like power cables, odds and ends for like my Etsy shop, which is back open, by the way. I have cash envelopes that I sell, as well as a few budgeting forms. So if you want to check that out, that's always available. So Etsy supplies, I have sticker paper and just things that need to be organized and put up. So I think that's everything for today. Today is going to be kind of a relaxing day. I've filmed 2 videos this morning, and I feel like I've really gotten a lot done already. All right, well, I think that's everything for me, guys. Again, this was a sticker kit by SimplySmithStickers, and they don't have like the sticker kit number on top. This has, it's leopard print, plaid, and looks like just some neutral dots, which is a really cute kit. So again, that's everything for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.